Shanina Shaik is an Australian model. She was born on February 11, 1991 in Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. Her father's name is Hanif and her mother's name is Kim. Shanina started her modeling career when she was just 8 years old. She made her debut with working in the commercial of Hyundai car. Shanina also participated in Girlfriend model competition and Make Me a Supermodel. She appeared in Victoria's Secret fashion show in 2011. In 2015, she got engaged to Greg Andrews and in 2018 they got married. In 2019 they separated.